Hello everyone, here it's my another tutorial video on instrument used in obs and gynae. Hope this video might help you to recognize the instruments and their uses. So let's start. First is green Armitage forceps. It's a triangular tip with transverse serration to hold cut edges of the lower segment after delivery of fetus. While holding the edges, it acts as a hemostat to decrease bleeding from the incision. Used in place of sponge holding forceps in for tracing cervical tears. Next is dissecting forceps. Here you can see dissecting forceps. It has two equal flat shafts with a sharp curve at the middle and join at the proximal end. Tooth dissecting forceps have tooth in the inner surface of the distal end. On pressing the shaft, the pointed tips are well opposed so that they do not slip against each other. The outer surface of shaft is made rough and irregular to get a firm grip while holding in the hand. This is a plain dissecting forceps. Plain dissecting forceps are used to hold delicate structures like peritoneum, vessels, bowel wall, etc. for suturing and to lift swabs and gauge pieces for dressing. This is tooth dissecting forceps. Tooth dissecting forceps are used to hold tough structures like skin or fascia while suturing. This is laminaria tent. Laminaria tent is dehydrated, compressed Chinese seaweed. It is sterilized by keeping it immersed in absolute alcohol. Tents are about 7 to 10 cm in length with an eye at one end and a thread hanging through the eye of each tent. The thread attached to the tent facilitates easy removal. Laminaria tents, it means more than one, are introduced into the cervical canal and kept for 12 to 24 hours. The tents, being hydroscopic, swells up by absorbing fluid from cervix, causing slow dilatation of cervical canal. This is used for dilating cervical canal in cases of spasmodic dysmenorrhea and for expulsion of products of conception in medically terminated pregnancy. This is MTP, incomplete abortion and hydatiform mole. Next is Doyne's towel clip. Doyne's towel clip is a light and strong metal instrument. It has a catch lock to fix the grip of drapes. The tips are sharply pointed for better grasping. Used to fix draping in order to expose only the required area. It is used to fix tubing such as suction tubes to drapes, preventing displacement. It can be used as tongue holding forceps in emergency situation, but it will perforate the tongue. May be used to hold ribs while elevating flat segment of chest. This is Doyne's retractor. Doyne's retractor is a metal instrument with flat solid blade on one end and a long handle. Here you can see it is used to retract pelvic organs during cesarean section. It is temporarily taken off while delivering the baby and then reintroduced till toileting of peritoneal cavity is done. Next is Sims double-bladed vaginal speculum. Sims speculum is used for inspection of vagina and cervix in the OPD. It retracts posterior vaginal wall. For complete visualization, anterior vaginal wall retractor must be used. It's used in gynae OPD for the following procedures: taking pap smear, insertion and removal of copper T, colposcopy, taking swabs, hysterosalpingography. This is used in gynae operation, dilatation and curettage, cervix biopsy, vaginal hysterostomy, repair of vaginal fistula, and hysteroscopy. Thank you.